I want to shift gears a little bit and talk about Pack and Go. There was an incredible enhancement made to Pack and Go with SOLIDWORKS 2019. Now, Pack and Go is an excellent tool for gathering all your data, all your reference files and drawings and all those things, and putting them in one location so it's easy to share that data with your customers. Now, if you go to the system options now and go to the external references part of the system options, there's now an option to include subfolders for drawing search in Pack and Go. What does that mean? It means that if you turn this option on, it will look in the specific folders or subfolders in the same location where the components or the reference files exist. Now, if you turn this option off, then what it will do is it will force SOLIDWORKS to look in file location for reference documents. So you can add all the obscure folders where your components may be coming from or your drawings in this list of reference document folders to search. Okay, so with that option enabled, what you'll notice is that when you use Pack and Go, I'm going to go ahead and Pack and Go this camera assembly. I'm going to do the drawing and all the components. You'll notice here I have include drawings. And if I do the save to zip file and I click on save, you'll notice that it's pretty quick about gathering all those references and creating the zip file all in one shot. So this is kind of a double enhancement. On one hand, you're going to save lots of time not searching all over your system for those reference files or specifically drawings. And two, just the save function of the Pack and Go seems to be much faster with SOLIDWORKS 2019.